It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to be taking a look at 2020, 2021 Black Diamond. But before we do that, just want to remind you of our contest. You could win this sealed box of SPx. We'll ship it to you free of charge wherever you live. Check out the details in the descriptions below and win. Black Diamond. If you've been watching the channel, you know it's one of my favorite boxes. We crushed a giant hit on this recently, so I don't expect to necessarily do that again. But I like the cards. I like what you get out of here. Generally a short break because you get usually 6 cards per pack. This one looks like a biggin. Drop that here. Of course, we're going to need our great decoy for hockey cards so as to not spoil this. Let's see how we can. Sorry, gotta pull it off screen a little bit just to not bump everything. All right. There we go. Love me some Black Diamond. Let's get right into it. So our first card is going to be a Black Diamond base of Sid the Adult. 249 of 349. So that is a great way to start off the break. With a little Sidney Crosby base action. This bottom card's super thick, but let's go there next because that's usually a base-ish card. And it is. We've got an exquisite, extra exquisite, of Tyler Bertuzzi. That one is numbered out of 149. Looks like 73 out of 149. Nice large fabric patch, which I really like. I like the die cut as well. Really great looking cards in here. And let's go here. Oh, what do we got here? We got another Diamond Relic rookie. We've got a Jack Studnicka double diamond out of 99. Really wasn't expecting that. These are generally kind of hard to pull. And of course we pulled that Kaprizov. Wow. Lightning strikes twice there. That is a nice one. Go to this one here. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is an auto. It's Teuvo Teravainen, Black Diamond Sparkling Scripts. No numbering on this one. For your Carolina Hurricanes. And it looks like we got 2 thick ones. Let's go down one and grab this guy first. See what this is. We've got a Winter Classic Memories of Alex Ovechkin. Little Winter Classic insert there. It's kind of like inset in the card. Has a little recap on the back. That's nice. And our final card, we've got a retired numbers, numbered to just 99 of Peter Forsberg, which is also really nice. Like I said, I just like I like the stuff they put in the Black Diamond. I don't necessarily mind the manufactured patches. Some people get bent out of shape about that stuff, but I gotta say that a successful box there, pulling another Diamond rookie. So that is just wow. I didn't think I'd pull another one out of this year's product, but there you have it. That is 2020, 2021. Upper Deck Black Diamond. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter that contest. And while you're at it, I don't hardly ever say this anymore, but like and subscribe. Subscriptions really help the channel grow, and the likes force the YouTube algorithm to kind of show the videos to other people, so it grows the hobby and grows the channel. But once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.